currently 7:30 a.m. and 3rd May. So in this video I'm basically going to shoot the May result vlog. So like I'm going to plan this whole month so I can make most out of it. So next month is my college, and like every summer I really don't know what I'm going to do this summer, so I just want to be clear what things I want to achieve this summer. So yeah, I have already wasted my April month, so I just don't want to do same with the May. This month I have two main priorities. First is content creation, and other is being financially stable. So I'm just going to try a lot of things which I really wanted to try for a very long time. The fear of getting failed. My hairs are messy, so just ignore that as I just woke up and I just wanted to get ready. Like I took a bath and did puja, but I didn't comb my hair and did my bit of skincare. Yeah, so I can start my day and I will just feel much more better. So अभी बज रहे हैं 11:15 and like I have done almost everything like decluttering. Actually मैंने उसका रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया because I was very much invested in that कि like मैं सब चीज़ें जगह पे रख रही थी and everything all that. So right now actually I'm now going to basically plan the whole month of May and not over plan it, but like at least I will plan in such way कि मुझे थोड़ा सा आइडिया रहेगा कि that what I have to do this whole month. So basically on like 30 or 29 April मैंने मेरी कॉलेज में like कॉलेज थ्रू आई अप्लाइड फॉर like 3-4 internships and मुझे अभी तक उसका कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया like about the interview. So I was actually planning to like get a bit financially stable during summer, but I don't know how and what is going to happen. So I'm also planning to like stay active on Insta and most importantly on YouTube and LinkedIn. Let's see how this goes because now like मेरा last year है, last year entrepreneurship का. Actually we also have 4th year, but I am mostly not going to do the 4th year. So this is my last year and I have to make it best no matter what, because फिर ऐसा ना हो कि रिग्रेट रह जाए that I didn't did anything productive in college, or rather than saying productive, something that I would love. and जैसा लगे कि हाँ यार the college days was really good, like मैंने enjoy किया, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया. To be honest, first year was deadly. Like first day even I didn't know what I was doing. Second year it was like legit no one was taking it seriously. Like especially if I would tell you about our batch and our class. So हमारा like कोई section नहीं, ABC बस एक ही class है. And you know इतने सारे days थे when I used to like be the only person in the classroom और कोई और रहता ही नहीं था. Means you imagine how serious people used to take classes. So फिर you know जब आप ऐसे environment में रहते हो ना, then you be like oh my god कोई seriously नहीं ले रहा तो हम भी क्यों ले. But that was actually I'm just regretting it. Like how can I just say that? Like उनका सब अलग है, I'm different. How the hell, like I didn't had any kind of motivation, like how to motivate myself in such environment. But we are going to make best out of best in 3rd year. So now it's like the only month we make a month है and we like जून में फर्स्ट वीक में मे बी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. So I have to make this month the best. Especially like I never like summers and vacations because I get seasonal depression during vacations because मैं कुछ ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव करती हूँ, मैं बस घर पे पड़ी रहती हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम. और मैंने किया भी कुछ तो लाइक ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जाती. मेन मतलब एवरीथिंग आई डू लाइक कुछ भी रहे, लाइक काम रहे, आई डू एवरीथिंग एट होम. आई मोस्टली अवॉइड गोइंग आउट बिकॉज इतनी धूप रहती है, मन भी नहीं करता, टाइम भी हो जाती हूँ. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि लाइक you know content creation can be a source of income, and I actually love doing like recording myself doing things. But the only problem I face is like editing. But leaving everything apart, one thing I have learned about myself that I love to edit short videos or like edits wale videos than actually editing a long video. I don't know, I just don't have that much patience to like keep everything. And the one thing of mine ki अगर edit अच्छे से नहीं हुआ ना, then I get, ew, who's gonna post that? I think I have to change a lot of things in myself for my own good. So let's plan the things for this one. So I just finished editing and now I'm gonna take a nap for like a few minutes. It's almost 12 noon right now, and after nap I would probably have my lunch, and after that maybe I would watch TV, or I also have to declutter my phone because I have some random pictures and random essays from my first year and lots of random notes in my phone, and it's just consuming more and more memory. So I just also have to declutter it, but everything I'll do everything after like quick nap. So see you later. So this is my diary, और इसमें मैं सब कुछ लिखती हूँ, like planning things, and फिर अगर मुझे कुछ goals वगैरह लिखने हो. This book is legit my soul, my second brain, everything. Actually I have also tried using Notion, but I don't know why I have seen many creators using Notion, but I just don't know, I just don't like it, like पता नहीं क्यों, but मुझे वो काफ़ी like headache type लगता है और मुझे अच्छे से यूज़ भी नहीं करने आता. Leave it, ये वाला मैं बताती हूँ. So if you watch my videos, you might be knowing कि मैंने recently my birthday bucket list बनाई है, and I'm hoping कि मैं 20 में से पहले मैं सब कुछ अचीव कर लूँ, इसमें से सब कुछ कंप्लीट कर लूँ, सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस कर लूँ. So the main motto of this bucket list was to experience more thing which I genuinely wanted to do from a lot long ago. I don't know how much time, like legit when I was 18 I thought ki at the age of 20 I would have everything I ever dreamt of, but it just didn't went as per the plan. But it just went better, I guess, because I think that journey is more exciting than the destination. I mean, सब कुछ मिल जाने के बाद क्या ही मज़ा आएगा. So yeah, we're going to enjoy the journey. I just completed writing everything, and I just feel so much good right now. I mean, I don't know. I just love planning things and then doing it because it just feels so aesthetically pleasing to my inner child. I don't know, but it just feels so good when you just plan things for the mind. मुझे आदत पहले थी that I used to do this, but then I just became more lazy. I don't know. So let me just quickly tell you about my main priorities for the month of May. So the very first goes with like my dream body. Actually I was planning to do gym from very long time, but I just keep broadcasting it. Next week करूँगी, अगले महीने करूँगी करके, like the अगला महीना never came. So this month I'm quite bit serious about working out. Actually I had habit of working out last year, and I was very consistent for like 5-6 months, and उसके बाद वापस से छूट गया because I just started feeling more unmotivated, and I just don't know, I just didn't feel like doing workout. But let me tell you one thing, actually this time पे मैं consistently workout करती, I used to feel so good, like something was different during that time, because I don't know, maybe I didn't feel good someday, but when I used to work out I used to feel much more better. So yeah, I'm just going to work out my dream body. I'm just working out, and also want to be consistent on content creation, and yeah, the most important, being financially stable. I don't know, like if you guys know, or I ever mentioned in any videos, that I used to earn a bit in my like first year, I used to sell my poems and writings as a part of gift. Like if someone have wanted to write some poem or write a para for his or her friend, so I used to help them with it, and like I used to charge 199 for one poem or one page. And yeah, I used to earn from that. Back in my 12th I also used to do affiliate marketing, जिसका like मैं थोड़े टाइम किया था, बिकॉज कमीशन वॉज टू लेस. आई मीन सीरियसली उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी. एंड एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट फील लाइक दिस affiliate marketing isn't for me, so I just left that. So I used to do that in my 12th. And yeah, with 9 years, so now I'm again thinking that there is a need for me to become more financially stable, because actually after graduation direct sea में कूदने से अच्छा I would try to learn swimming from very as early as possible. So yeah. And yeah, one more thing to add on, I just also completed one of my wish from the bucket list. Let me show you. The one heart which is filled with red color is the wish I completed, and I am so much happy for that. Yeah. Okay, so now I am planning to edit the videos which are pending, so I will meet you after a few minutes or maybe hours. What is this?
Timetable.
So I was reading the book Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Puri, and I'm really not a fan of fictional book, but like I liked it a bit. Like I'm on the 15th or 20th page of that book. I really don't like that much fictional books, but मैं कभी कभी पढ़ लेती हूँ, so I just read it like when I got it from my sir. Like it was a prize for my presentation. So yeah, right now I just edited one video, like reel video, for my YT and Insta, and yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I'm sweating like hell. It's 5:22 right now, and I'm like already so sweaty because of the heat and weather. I don't know, I am like going to end this video over here. So like I planned my day, I planned my goals for the month and everything else. Like I declutter my phone, I declutter my wardrobe, and everything is all set for the month. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you in the next video.